everyone, how are you all? Today I'm here to discuss a few tips and tricks. How can we enhance our communication skill? See, if you are good at your grammatical concepts or basic English structure, this basic English language structure, still you stuck, still you fumble, still you are not confident enough while speaking in public, what all the tips and tricks you can use. See, doesn't matter how many videos you are watching, doesn't matter how many new vocabulary words are you jotting down. No doubt it's going to increase your knowledge, but when it comes to your speaking skills, if you are not speaking enough, if you are not practicing enough, you will not get that fluency, you will not get that confidence, right? So try to speak more and more, try to interact with more people. Don't worry about your mistakes, don't worry about being judged. Just come out of all these fears, because these are real hurdles in your way to get that fluency. So trust me, believe me, start speaking as much as you can. Now, if you have no one to speak with, what can you do? You can record yourself, prepare a topic. See, I would like to tell you what I experienced when I was juggling with this language. So what we oftenly do, we notice or we note down or we jot down so many new words, and we just go to Google, right? Note down so many sentences, and when we have a real interaction, then we are not able to use all the words which we have already written in our notebook. It happens with everyone. So what is the reason? As I suggested you many times, don't go for so many new words, don't go for so many new words. 3 words a week are more than sufficient, trust me, because you have to explore those 3 words. How can we use as a noun, as a verb, as an adjective, as an adverb? Try to relate all those words in your daily use vocabulary, daily life experiences. Try to fit those words in your daily life vocabulary sentences. This trick is going to work for you. I hope you got me. So instead of jot down so many words, you have to learn 3 words a week, but you have to learn in a way that you have to make those 3 words part of your life, a part of your daily speaking vocabulary practice, right? And yes, second thing, choose any topic. It can be your introduction. First, prepare your very beautiful introduction. Choose so many of adjectives that suit your personality, okay, and make a list of those adjectives. Now look, where can you use all those adjectives? Keep practicing, record yourself, see the changes. Yes, feel the changes. You know what, when you start recording yourself, I bet you are going to stuck, you are going to fumble. Gradually you are going to comfortable recording yourself. Then try to find so many situations where you can introduce yourself, where you can tell about yourself, okay? Now, how can you practice? These days we are blessed that we have so many platforms where we get a chance to interact with so many people free of cost, right? There are so many apps which you can download and you can practice with lot many people, right? And you can have that conversation. Gradually you will get that confidence, okay? Because when you have that conversation over phone, because those apps are like we don't have that video call session, it's just a normal call session. And once you get familiar with the normal call sessions, then you can jump into video call sessions. And there are so many platforms which are really affordable, right? You can get so many offers, coupons, so go for those also. Because you know what, if you really want to enhance your communication skills, if you are really passionate about this thing, you have to make efforts. That's it. You can't sit with excuses. I don't have no uh, i I have no one to talk with, I can't afford this. So you have to find a way to hone your communication skills. So all these tips and tricks are really going to work for you. Trust me, I have already experienced, or I have already implemented these tips and tricks. Still I used to do the same. I never miss a chance to interact with anyone. When I get a chance to interact with anyone, I just jump in the conversation. I try to be more confident, more efficient with this language. And I wish you all people are going to use these kind of tricks, right? But yes, social media is a vast area. You need to be very careful while interacting with strangers, right? And while downloading so many apps, so be aware of spams and frauds. I know you all are mature enough, and you know what is right and wrong for you. So just go for it, and enjoy your learning. Happy learning, never give up, keep growing, keep glowing. Bye bye, take care.